Okay, so today I'm creating this storyline to explain quadratic expression. So this girl Leah, she's actually going to the baking shop to buy her cake board. So when she goes to the shop, she asks the person, what is the size of the cake board? And they say that the area of the cake board is actually 40 cm squared. And the length of the cake board is 3 more than the width. Okay, so then they're asking her to some sort of you kind of guess what is the dimension. So here she's thinking of using quadratic expression to get the dimensions. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to explain the length of the rectangle. I've written here is 3 more than the width, alright, and the area is 40 cm. So here the aim of this explanation today is to get the quadratic expression. So we know that usually the area of rectangle is width times the length. So here our length is actually x plus 3 and width is x, alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write down the formula. So this is A, stands for the area, x is actually the width, and x plus 3 is the length. Okay, so we're going to be expanding the brackets. Okay, so here now we're going to take this x and we're going to multiply inside. So we're going to multiply with the x first, then we're going to multiply with the 3. So when we multiply with the x, we get x squared, and when we multiply with the 3, we get 3x. Alright, so now we have got our expression here. So now what we're going to do is, we know that here 40a is actually we want to get the value of a. So we know that earlier they have mentioned to us that the area is actually equals to 40. Alright, so we have substituted 40 as the area value. So therefore I've written here, substituted the area value. Now that we have got this whole expression here, we have to always write our quadratic expression in terms of ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, so here we have 0. We have moved the 40 over to the right hand side. So here we have 0 equals to x squared plus 3x minus 40. Why is it minus 40? When you move any value from the left hand side to the right hand side, the value changes. It becomes the opposite value. So if it's plus here, then it becomes minus 40. So here this is our expression. So this, finally, to get our quadratic expression, we get it as x squared plus 3x minus 40. Now there'll be one question, you'll be wondering, why do you have to write the x square first, then you write the x to the power of 1, then the number. So usually quadratic expressions are explained as written in this form. This is the format. Okay, we usually write whichever x that has the highest power, then followed by x to the power of 1, and here x is actually to the power of 0. So anything to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So c times 1 is equals to c. So that's how we write it this way. So this is actually the first part of the video. Okay, this is part 1 of quadratic expression. Thank you.